Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to this installment of our Cisco University series, where we cover the various products and services that are available to you, our customers, to make your lives easier. On this episode, we will be taking a look at our mortgage credit reporting system, briefly going over all of the various products that we offer and how to order them. As you can see, we will be starting our overview on the main page of the Cisco website, located at ciscocredit.com. To find the link to the mortgage credit reporting system, you'll take your mouse and hover over the client login in the top right corner. And we're going to click on the mortgage credit reports link. This will take you to the login portal for our system. Once here, you will enter your Cisco username and password, which would have been issued by an account admin or someone on the Cisco support staff. If you have any difficulties logging in, you can click the Forgot Your Password link below the login button, which will email you a link to set up a new password. You may also reach out to an admin on your company's account who will have the ability to not only reset your password, but also issue a temporary. Or, as always, you can reach out to the technical support team at Cisco via either phone or email. Now, if you are logging into your account for the first time, or if you're logging in from a new location for the first time, you will be required to provide an authentication code to register the IP address that you're on and gain access to the system. To have an authentication code sent to you, you can click the Email Me Auth Code button to have it sent to your email. Or if you've registered a cell phone number to your account, like I have, you can have the auth code texted to you. Just a side note, if you request to have the code emailed to you and you do not receive anything after a few minutes, be sure to check your junk or spam folder, as the email is sent from our automated system and may be flagged as such. For users logging in for the first time, you should be provided an auth code by email automatically if your user account was set up by the Cisco support staff. Once you've received your auth code, you'll just enter it on the keypad, check the Register Computer box, and then hit Continue. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the Text Me Authentication code. And as you can see, it'll show you the last 4 digits of your phone number that it's going to be sent to, and it lets you know that the code is valid for 2 hours. Okay, so I received the code. So as I said, you're going to go ahead and click the numbers on the keypad entering your code. Once you've done that, you're going to want to be sure to click the Register Computer/Network box to avoid having to register your IP again in the future, and then you're going to go ahead and click Continue. After following these steps, you should find yourself in one of 2 places. If you're logging in for the first time, you will be sent to the announcement bulletin board, where we post all important updates and system changes. By clicking Continue in the top left corner, it will take you to the main page of our website. Once on the main page of our mortgage system, you will see that it's broken into 4 sections. Now, depending on the products that your account has active, as well as your permissions, such as if you're an admin or not, it may change the view a bit. However, generally, the page will look the same. The first section that we're going to be taking a look at today is going to be the Products and Services section located on the left-hand side of the page. This section houses most of the different products that we offer. In the Credit Verification tab, clients can order a standard credit report, business credit report, undisclosed debt notification, or UDN, and a lien and judgment report powered by LexisNexis. Under the Property Verification tab, clients can order flood certs or AVM reports. Under the Employment, Income, and Asset Verification tab, clients can order verification of employments through the work number, TRV tax transcripts, and verifications of deposit and asset. And finally, under the Fraud Detection tab, clients can order ID verification and application data validation reports, SSA 89s, and a wide variety of PitchPoint products such as their lien and judgment report. The next section that we are going to be taking a look at is going to be the Tools section located on the upper middle portion of the page. Within this area, clients have the Documentation Request feature, which will alert you if any documentation, such as a borrower's authorization or statement, is needed to complete either a credit rescore, supplement, or any of our other verification products to ensure that we complete all requests in a timely manner. Below that, we have the total cost for borrower tool, which, by providing info such as a consumer's social, will allow clients to instantly generate a list of all products and services ordered on said consumer so that customers are able to generate invoices and bill efficiently and accurately. Next, we have the management reports, which allows admins to generate summary reports on their account to see information such as products that have been ordered, as well as the account activity of employees. Next is the user setup page, which allows admins to create and manage employee user accounts. Below that, we have the invoices tab, where admins can view invoices that have been billed to them. Under this section, we have the Change Credit Report Owner link, where admins can go into the system and move the ownership of a file from one employee to another. And finally is the Generate Auth Code link, where users can generate an auth code for their account that will last for 2 hours. For example, if you're leaving the office to meet a customer, but you know that you're going to need access to the system, you can generate the code beforehand, and as long as you log in within that 2-hour window, you can use the code that you had previously to avoid having to wait for one in the future. Below the Tools section, you will find the Preferences and Announcement section. Within this area, you have the My Account link, where you can make changes to your account, such as editing the email address or cell phone number linked to your account, changing your password, or even adding a new IP address for future logins. After that, we have the Download section, where users can download forms and files such as order forms for our SSA 89 and 4506 TERV tax transcript products. Next, we have the Submit Feedback link, where clients have the ability to share any system bugs, should one appear, or recommend any system changes that we can possibly make to better help you, our clients, navigate the system easily and productively. And lastly, we have the Recent Bulletin section, where clients can view any new or old updates and announcements that we have released. The final section that we're going to be going over is going to be the Recent Request area. Now, this section is one of the most important yet underestimated sections due to the fact that being able to use this section efficiently to find any product or report that has been ordered on a consumer can save you precious time that you can then use to better assist your customers and close loans. The Recent Request section can actually be broken into 3 parts, all providing efficient ways to search the system for a particular file or request. The first and most common way to search for a product in the system is going to be the search bar, located at the very top right corner of the page. By default, this search bar is set to File Number, where you can just enter the file number to the right of it and click Go, and it'll take you directly to that specific file. However, by clicking the drop-down, you can actually change the search criteria to reference number, social security number, or primary consumer's last name. Now, the reason that I say primary consumer is for scenarios where you have a joint credit report. However, the applicants may have different last names. To find the file with this search, it will attempt to match the primary's last name, so you would not find the file if you were to search with the co-applicant's last name. The next option to search is going to be located at the bottom of the Products and Services tab and is going to be the Find Ordered Products link. If you click this link, you'll be taken to a page with a wide variety of search criteria. For example, you can still search by the basic file number, reference number, social security number, and last name, but now you can also search by first name. If you're an admin or have the ability to view files pulled by other coworkers, you can limit your search based on who pulled the report. Additionally, if you have the ability to view files that were pulled by different sub-accounts or branches, you can include those in your search by checking the Include Sub-Accounts box. You can also search for a specific product or status of product by clicking the product type to limit the search or clicking the status type to limit the search. And if you click the advanced search link, you can even search by address. The one important thing to keep in mind when using this Find Order Products page that can be both helpful and harmful is the start and end date range located on the left-hand side. While you can utilize the start and end date range to narrow your search window, if the file you're looking for is outside of the start and end date range, it will actually be detrimental and you will receive a no record found result. Or you may find the file but not the exact one that you need. Now, if we return to the main page of the system by clicking the main link in the top left-hand corner, we can view the third way to search for a file, which is the actual recent request section located at the bottom of the page. In this section, you can view any recent order classified by product type. For example, if we click on the credit section, it generates a list of all of the recent credit reports that have been ordered that you or the account have access to. Just like if we were to click the Supplements tab located at the top, we would be generating a list of all of the recent supplements that have been ordered that we can view. Once we find the file that we need, we can hit the View to generate a web version of the credit report, PDF to generate a PDF version of the credit report, Print to print a copy of the credit report, or to go to the file or the order for review, you can click the number here. Now that we've covered the basics of the mortgage credit reporting system, we can now touch on some of the final miscellaneous items. First, I would like to point out the helpful tips and links section located on the right-hand side, as well as the help section located in the very top right corner, as these two areas go hand in hand. Both of these sections offer our clients access to the Meridian Link knowledge database, which clients can use to get more info or instruction on a wide range of topics, from how to use your LOS system such as Encompass or Calyx Point in tandem with our system, to how to generate a total cost for borrower report on a consumer, and everything in between. If browsing the knowledge base is not for you, however you still find yourself needing assistance with a question or product, I recommend the support chat link, also located in the top right corner, where all Cisco clients have the ability to engage in an instant chat with a member of our technical support staff, or clients can submit a ticket to our help desk ticket system, and a member of our team can reach out to you and help with any questions. And as always, clients are more than welcome to call our office for immediate assistance. Well, everyone, that is going to conclude this overview of the Cisco Credit Mortgage Credit Reporting System. If you have any questions regarding any of the information covered in this video, feel free to reach out to us. From myself and on behalf of everyone at Cisco Credit, I would like to say thank you for watching. And be sure to keep an eye out for our next episode, where we will be taking a more in-depth look at how to order each individual product, as well as some of the tips and tricks that go along with them. Have a good day.